Welcome to Family Mo's channel. Today I'll be making Gilla curry, which I think is chicken stomach. If you want to know how I make it, keep on watching. You will need chili powder, turmeric powder, curry powder, Jeera powder, coriander powder and salt. You will need 1 medium onion sliced, Gilla, I'm not sure how much that is in weight, maybe a handful or a bit more, 2 bay leaves, 1 cinnamon stick, 3 cardamom pods, ginger and garlic paste. So in a handy, add some oil. I used old oil because in meat curry you can use old oil, so you're not wasting. Add 1.5 tablespoons of garlic and ginger. Allow that to cook and go a bit brown. That gives the curry a nice smell, which I love. Add your bay leaves, your cinnamon stick and cardamom pods and let that cook for, I'd say, probably about 30 seconds. Add in your onions and your Gilla with probably I'd say a teaspoon of salt, level teaspoon. Obviously you can always add more later if you need to. Add in hot boiling water to cover the Gilla, I'd say for about 15 minutes, and put the heat on low to medium heat and check it in between if you need to. The sauce will start drying up a little bit, so just add in a splash of water and then give it a quick stir and then add in your spices. Add 1 level teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon of chili powder, we use extra hot, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, that's Jeera powder, and then 1 teaspoon of curry powder, and give that a mix. Allow it to cook through for about a minute or two. So now the spices have cooked for a few minutes on low heat. I'm going to add water, so you can add as little or as much as you want. We like ours medium. We don't like it too dry or too saucy. And then let that cook for 5 to 7 minutes. That's it. You're ready to serve. I made this video last minute because I don't make Gilla often, so yeah, I made dyed as well as lamb and homegrown curry.